Sex. It is everywhere we look. Billboards, magazines, television, and the internet. Many forms of advertising incorporate sex as a method to help increase their sales. Simply put, it is all around us. Sex sells. In fact, it is so hard to escape, many believe we have become desensitized to the privacy of sexuality and with it, the right to a work environment free of sexual harassment. Over 1/3 of workers today report experiencing sexual harassment on the job. Sexual harassment can appear in many forms, from physical to verbal to passive, but most important is the fact that it is always illegal and punishable by law. As an employee, you have rights and are protected against any form of sexual discrimination or harassment. Welcome to the Sexual Harassment Orientation Training. In this safety course, we will discuss the following learning objectives. What is sexual harassment? Types of sexual harassment. Sexual harassment evolution. How to report sexual harassment. Employer's responsibility.